Hey everyone, how you doing? This is Bruno with Trucks and Stuff. Just a quick update here. My daughter's gonna pan around here and show you all the 187th that we received Friday. Many of you seen a picture of the truck that we shuttled him over from the feed store back over here to Trucks and Stuff. She's gonna do a quick little overview. Please get in contact with your regular dealers or distributors, wherever you get these from. We will be announcing these to them and we'll be shipping them out sometime next week. So look for them over to your favorite hobby shop, wherever you guys buy your trucks from. They should have them, I'd say probably the 10th or so of July. So check that out, and she's going to give you a quick little insight of what we got in the 187th. Well, that's a quick overview. Nothing really planned. We just wanted to show you what's out there going to be coming in. Most of these trucks, as you can tell, they're T680 Kenworths, sleeper. There is a couple Peterbilts, the Linden and the Cardinal Logistics, that are Peterbilt day cabs. We've got still about 35 or 40 van companies that are going to be coming in here, probably starting, the next container will be the end of July. They're going to be sleepers, and then the big mass of them are going to be about another 40 or 45 tankers. That being the fuel tanker, all the hot oil, all companies like Linden, Linde, AmeriGas, Farrell Gas, you name it, we're doing it. Love's, Chevron. We're doing many tanker variations, and then we're going to finish it off with a few doubles. We're doing Saia Freight with a 53-foot Freightliner Cascadia and a 28-foot double with the ProStar. So that's also a company that's never been done in HO that I've ever seen. Anyway, Saia LTL freight company. Anyway, look at these trucks look at them close. They turned out pretty darn nice. I'm very satisfied with them. Thank you very much for your support, and we'll be getting about another 85 or 90 runs between now and the end of summer. Have a good day.